Hey everybody, this is Watson from 911 Studios. Today we're going to take a look at the Champion Power Equipment 10574 4000 watt RV ready digital hybrid inverter generator with dual fuel technology. Awesome. It has 2200 ratings on Amazon with an average of 4.6 out of 5 stars. And Champion makes a great generator, so if you're looking for even more power, check out their other models. They also have models with remote start and electric start. This advanced digital hybrid design is 50% quieter and 20% lighter than a traditional Champion 35 watt generator. Plus, the economy mode saves fuel and extends engine life. You can operate it on gasoline or propane, and it's great for RVs, tailgating, or your next project or home backup, with 4,000 starting watts and 3,500 running watts for up to 14.5 hours runtime on a tank of gas. Includes a 3-year limited with free lifetime technical support from dedicated experts. Now let's check out a review from Mama 10268 called Quiet, Powerful, and Fuel Efficient. Bought this for camping off the grid. Camper has a 15K AC and wanted a generator to power it. Read about inverters and decided to go that style. This generator is perfect for what I do. Yeah, it's not as quiet as a fully enclosed inverter, but that's what Champion themselves say. I can tell you for a fact it's quieter than a regular open frame generator, even when eco mode is off. I just camped with 4 other campers with regular generators with similar output, and they were all impressed how quiet mine was. It was around 90 degrees this weekend, and it powered everything I needed it to. I got about 12 plus hours runtime with eco off and running the AC, outdoor fridge, outdoor ice maker, and even a Keurig during all of that. Very, very impressed. So there you go. Go camping in style with this Champion Power Equipment generator. You can get it on Amazon Prime for free shipping. So check it out today, you're going to love it.